if you're doing incorporated trustee registration listing, there is something new on the CAC dashboard right now. You can actually generate your affidavit directly inside your account. You don't need to stress yourself, no going forward and back. So let me show you quickly. First, you must log into your CAC account to access your dashboard. Then go to your incorporated trustee application, just like you want to submit the application. Okay, then you provide all the informations like the quorum, the meeting, the newspaper publication, and all of that. You're going to be uploading your document. That's where you're going to see it just up right there, as you can see on the screen. So you're going to click on it. You're going to choose the right person that you're going to be doing the affidavit for. Remember that for a secretary, you're not supposed to do an affidavit, but for a chairman, trustee, you make an affidavit. So just pick the persons, the individuals that are trustees of the incorporated application. Do you understand? Input the right NIN number, then you input the correct location, that is the address. Then you go ahead to upload the signature, the passport, and all of that details you see here. And once you're done, you can generate your affidavit once your payment has been confirmed, and the price is little less than 4,000 naira. You can see it's just 3,000. Yeah, so it's so affordable. You can just do that without going out, without stress. I love this update. What do you think about it?